Okay, so before we head down the Rome 4x4, I just want to give everybody just a little update on the reason I'm going there. The reason I'm going there is I actually tore down the front of the Jeep and practically just replaced everything. I went with a G2 axle, heavy duty ball joints, upper and lower. Went with a cab fab, 1 ton JK tie rod and drag link kit. Went with Rough Country, their dual steering stabilizer. Also went with the Rough Country X-Flex adjustable upper and lower control arms. So, you know, I put in new U-joints as well. Serviced the front differential. So I felt it was good to go to a place to professionals and let them look at the front end and get everything squared away and get it dialed in like it should be. So let's see what happens. Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. I'm Arthur and I'm going to be your host for today's video. So thank you for joining, and stick around. I hope you enjoyed the little video. Okay, so the purpose of this video is just a little update. I've been working on the Jeep for about the last 2 weeks, a little bit on the weekend, and pretty much consuming a lot of my time after work. And right now we're headed to Rome 4x4 in Rome, Georgia. I'm just now leaving Cartersville, and we're going to go down here, and those guys got a nice facility. Already been down here once checking it out. They do have a new state-of-the-art alignment machine for all your 4x4 and Jeep needs. So we're going to go down here and they're going to do a complete axle alignment on the Jeep. We're going to center the axle. Going to check the wheelbase of the axle, you know, forward and aft, since I got adjustable control arms now. Pinion angle, caster, of course the, you know, centering the steering wheel and doing the toe adjustment. I tried doing some of this stuff in the driveway, just trying to get it close to make it a little easier on them. Drive's pretty decent. Kind of surprised myself, but we're going to take it down here and let the professionals get it done. So stick around, and hopefully you'll get to see the place, and I'll do a couple video clips there and you can see the place, and we'll have the shop manager talk a little bit more about the equipment they're going to use, and also what kind of alignment and how important it is to the front of the Jeep. So stay tuned, guys.
What's up, guys? Here today at Rome 4x4. Had Mr. Arthur come in today with this nice JK that he just got done building. He put some Rough Country steering on it. We put some Rough Country control arms, put some HD steering on it. Today we got the front and back in alignment. We adjusted his lower and upper control arms to get the thrust angle back in. We adjusted the 1 ton steering to get that toe and that steering wheel angle just right so it performs well on road and off road. But now that we've done this, he'll extend the life of his tires. He'll be much more happier with the drivability. We loosened up all of his jam nuts. We ran them out. We gave him another inch of wheelbase that corrected his drive angle to make his front axle match the squareness of his rear axle. And overall, it's going to be a well-performing vehicle on and off-road.
Okay guys, so I just left Rome 4x4, and I encourage you to get over there, and if you're in the area, and let them take a look at your rig and get it dialed in. Those guys did an awesome job on my Jeep. I can't believe how well it drives. It really, the front end seems really settled and it's in sync. Everything seems dialed in. I think one of the problems I had that they corrected was the front axle wasn't square with the back axle. So man, getting that in line and getting it squared has made a huge improvement in the way this Jeep rides. They checked the caster, made sure it was in spec, pinion angle, got my toe in dialed in, centered up the steering wheel, and this lifted Jeep rides like a stock Jeep off the car lot. I mean, it's just no more of that flighty feeling at speed, like it's going to fly off the road. Just handles great. Before, you know, this thing, going for a day ride, this thing would wear you out driving it. You didn't realize how much you were fighting the steering until the end of the day or end of your ride, but now it's unbelievable. I don't have any steering wheel shimmy or any not fighting the steering system, so they did a great job. So kudos to Rome 4x4, and make sure you stop by and check those guys out. They got plenty of parts and accessories, and they can do installations for you. They can get your front end dialed in like they did mine. So stop by, and hey guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to y'all later. Thanks.